What's going on, guys? It is Jacob from MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. I have the pleasure today of showing you our newest consignment listing that we have. This is a 2019 22XS offered by NauticStar. The 22XS is their offshore model side. This one has much higher gunnel size than the traditional, bay boat styles. At 22 foot, this gives you the ability to branch off offshore if you're just beginning to venture out into deeper waters. This is a great application for getting you out there at the beginning level. And as we move to the back of the boat, you can see that this one's powered by a Yamaha 4-stroke outboard. This is a 200 horsepower Yamaha, moves this boat very, very well. Now that I've showed you a little bit on the outside, let's hop inside. And now that we're up inside the boat, notice how much space we have in the back section of the boat. And if you had multiple people fishing, there's well enough room for both anglers to be in action at the same time. On the port side, there is the live well. On the starboard side, this is your raw water washdown. It does have an entry door that will open up. Also, if you have extra people and you wanted to take them with you, this also comes with a flip out seat that you can use for extra people to come with you. And when you're done with it, just fold it down and it's out of your way and you're back to fishing. And standing here at the center console, you see this seating has flip up bolsters, 4 rod holders on the back section and 4 on the top of the T-top. This is paired with a Simrad. Here's your Yamaha vessel view, Xfinity radio, VHF radio, trim tabs, full standard switches. Big canvas cover, offers plenty of shade. Excellent side pass for when you're fighting fish. You can really lean into it and it doesn't hurt your knees or your quads. Me, I'm a little guy, so it's more my quads, probably more knees for normal sized people, but we won't get into that. Now follow me to the front of the boat. As we get to the front of the boat, there is a 5-gallon bucket storage compartment here in the center of the boat. As you can see, excellent feature. 5-gallon buckets are phenomenal for any boat owners. The center console forward seating doubles as a live well or extra storage if you needed it to. It does have flip out backrests. So if you just have a day on the water with friends, family, you're just cruising around, having a couple cocktails on a sunset cruise, they have a nice backrest for them. And when you don't need it, flops right out of your way. Right now, there is no padding on it. We do have padding for it. You can see that there are snap downs for it, but this transitions the seating area into a nice fishing platform so you can run around up front and still do your fishing. Again, this is the 2019 NauticStar that we have here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. If you do like our content that you do see on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or wherever social media platform that you do, please give us a like, comment, give us feedback on stuff that you want us to do or see. And if you have any questions about this boat, please give me a call. My name is Jacob Wright. Contact number is 850-819-9106. Thank you, guys.